If you wanna have a good time, no more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, let's let our mind and bodies intertwine. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so.
Okay, so it's not often that the Blazer gets a package, but today we got a new package from Slam Panda. We are super excited. I've been waiting on this package for a minute. The first time it came to me, it disappeared. So excited. If I could get it open. Oh, bag in a bag. My first real unboxing. Ooh. Got my cable. My distribution box.
Effing send it.
And then the base knob. This controls the lights. This image here and this image here will light up, as well as I believe the sides.
No, the sides don't.
They don't? Okay.
I had designed so they wouldn't, so.
But this plugs into here. No more RCAs that break. And again, it's another Slam Panda knob. That's all I've run, and I wouldn't change it. Slam Panda makes quality products. So, I'm excited. Can't wait to hook it up.
Show that again.
This is the distribution. It hooks up in the back and gets wired to remote turn on, positive and negative on your battery. And then, yeah.
Oh, and another cool feature is if she unwrapped everything, see how I'm moving this? You mount the plate. Okay.
All right. You mount this plate.
Yeah, with 2 screws countersunk.
So it'll sit flush and then it magnetics back in.
Yeah.
So it's safe and stable. But just look at the detail.
That's nice.
So, well, that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you my new knob.
You gotta do an outro, like, you know, some kind of like.
No, I don't. That's it.
No peace out or
Nope.
no bass on or nothing.
Nope. Have a bass-tastic day.
There you go.